Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Christy's speed reading how to make sushi.
Yep, here we go.
Today we're making sushi. Sully's got everything prepped. He's going to show us how to roll everything. Christy's going to help roll. I'm helping roll, mostly supervising here. And by supervising, I don't even know what I'm doing. Sully's done all the research. So we're going to watch him be the pro today and check this out.
So today we're making smoked salmon with a dill cream cheese, which we've already got on board. We're making California rolls, which we've got 2 made so far. We're going to make what's called a dragon roll. I've never made that yet, but I paid attention. And we're going to do a shrimp tempura. And last but not least, a chicken teriyaki for Scott.
Yeah, baby. It's all about me.
All about Scott, who's allergic to chicken.
You got a sushi maker. Over here you got the rice. You got to rinse it till it's perfectly clear. Get all that starch out of there. It's like 5 cups of rice in there, 5 cups of water. Okay, so the rice is done. Goes in the bowl, and you add your mixture of mirin and the other stuff we put in there. Stir it all in. So working ahead a little bit, I'm going to make spicy crab. And I like to use what's called Cupid mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise. A little sriracha, a little chili oil, and I like that mapoy. Makes it a little sweeter. Add a little diced onion. So there's what the crab looks like at the beginning. Chop it up, throw it in the bowl, mix it up, try to get the hotness that you want or that you desire. Okay, so the prep here is I'm using lump crab meat. I'm going to season it with a little lemon juice and just a little bit of salt. That will go in our dragon roll. I know a dragon roll doesn't normally get it, but in my world, it gets it. Okay, we prepared the cucumber. Small, thin, not quite the center, more the outside edge. You don't want the center because I guess it's too moist and makes things too soggy. Avocados are ready to roll. Got a little water pan.
Little teriyaki. Sweet teriyaki on the chicken. The shrimp over here. We're going to flour, egg, flour, pan. Now that the grease is hot enough, we're going to flour them. We're going to egg them. Flour in the oil. When they sizzle like that, you know the oil's hot enough.
Everybody in the fry pan. See, we have a food allergy person here. We got to keep these things separate.
That would be me.
Him.
Cheers.
So the shrimps are coming out real nice. Going to put them in a pan over there and save them in the oven for our dragon shrimp and our shrimp tempura. Always wrap your roller. Keeps things from sticking to it. So we spread out our rice. We don't smash it. We just spread out so it's nice and even. Aww. Keep your fingers wet, otherwise the rice sticks to it. A little bit of smoked salmon on here. A little bit goes a long way. Cream cheese with dill in there. Roll it like a doobie.
Can't even see you.
Lightly squeeze like it's a breast.
Depends on who's,
Perfect roll.
Depends on who's doing the squeeze.
From there, we cut it equally. Keep your knife wet.
Take a look at those.
There you go.
That's good stuff right there. Now we're making a California roll.
Yes.
We got this one started here. What goes in the California roll, Sully?
We're gonna do crab, avocado, cucumber, and toasted sesame
You
seeds.
don't have avocado cut.
Oh, so we sprinkle with sesame seeds.
We flip over. Cucumbers closer to the front, kind of as I say.
Okay.
We'll do some avocado next. Then we're gonna load it
So
up.
we got cucumber, we got avocado. We're gonna get some crab in there.
Ooh, okay.
So this is lump crab,
Now this
real
is
stuff.
now this is good tasty crab, not this kind of crab, not crabby crab, Scotty.
No, not crab, Scotty.
So don't go.
Roll and squeeze.
Squeeze in.
Roll
There you.
and squeeze.
Squeeze in. Roll and squeeze in.
Roll and squeeze. Squeeze and roll. Oh man.
Pretty.
Getting
Keep
there.
going.
Keep going.
You can do it.
You're squishing it.
Roll a little further.
All
You want
right.
to squish it.
Sully's
going.
turned out good.
Come on, Christy.
Christy.
So,
Oh,
good.
One
dang.
more. There she is.
Not too shabby.
No.
That looks all right.
There we go.
Nicely
your bamboo.
done. Right?
And then we'll cut her.
And cut. Keep your knife wet, otherwise it sticks. Everybody's getting a chance at rolling. Scott, he's just a plate organizer and taster. You get a bad one here, Scott's gonna taste it.
That's exactly right.
So now we're starting a dragon roll. We get a full nori sheet, get your rice on there, and then what we're gonna put in it.
It's going to be amazing. It's going to be tempura shrimp, crab, avocado, and asparagus.
Oh, sounds delicious. All right, so we got our rice on there. We flip our nori sheet with the rice on the outside. So we got asparagus.
Thank you. Oh, 2 of them?
Avocado. Basically, you're just gonna cut that in sections there like that. And then shrimp, right?
Now we're gonna do the shrimp. So the shrimp's gonna hang, the tail will hang out the end. Let's clean up.
Nicely done.
Now roll this bad boy.
With the tails out.
We want the tails out, that's what we're trying to accomplish.
Okay.
Be like the first time I made a banana split, I forgot the bananas.
It's crabless.
All right, so this is a crabless dragon. Christy's got the real dragon here. With the shrimps out the side, you gotta get that shrimp in there.
Thank you.
Nobody wants to lose a shrimp. Amateur rollers. We're all amateurs. We've never made this before. But it's gonna look tasty.
That salmon is so
Well, you
good.
gotta
Homemade
saw
spicy
it. You
mayo.
can't-
What's this one?
You gotta saw it.
Dragon roll.
Dragon
But
roll.
he cut right through the plastic.
Yeah, but use the other knife.
Got a little topper on each one.
If anybody wants to try rolling one of these.
All right, go ahead.
So now Christy's making a sweet chicken teriyaki. And it's gonna have a little asparagus in it. And we'll use a full sheet. And if she's daring, she'll put even some toasted sesame seeds on it. But this is a homemade creation. There you go. All for Scott.
All original right here. We got chicken in there, asparagus, and we're gonna put a little extra sauce on there. A little more. Yeah.
Roll her up.
Now we're gonna roll it. Chrissy has become a master roller.
My little geisha girl.
Roll, squeeze, roll, squeeze. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let's give that a cut and see what the middle looks like. Let's see. Oh yeah, those look tasty. All right, hopefully you learned something today. Thanks for Sully looking up all the stuff, figuring out how to do this. We all learned how to roll sushi today. Thanks for stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. We're gonna finish off some sushi.
Thank you.